Hello guys, welcome to Million Codes. Okay, today we are going to see how to install and use the CodeIgniter 4.0.4 version in our PC. Okay, so I think you are familiar with the version of CodeIgniter version 3. What is the changes has been done with the version 3 and the version 4? Who can use this application? These questions arise while releasing the version 4. So the CodeIgniter version for the developers who need a simple, those who not willing to work with a command-oriented purpose like that. So you can choose the CodeIgniter. Okay, the CodeIgniter is a small platform to build the application. So if you are using as a high and larger scaling applications, I think you can suggest some other platforms like Laravel, YAI frameworks like that. So if you are using this framework, you can, if you are a beginner, you want to study with the somewhat larger application, so like that you can create this application. So the installation and the step is fully simpler than other steps. You can simply download the application. While clicking on the download button, you can simply download this framework. The application size is also somewhat 941 KB only, so you can simply install and work with the application. So let's open the application first. While opening this, you will see the application like this. I have already copied on this folder now. So this is the application. So what is the changes this is the entire working structure of the CodeIgniter. So this has some files. This is the app file is the major file. We are going and we are working with the config, controllers, models, libraries. These files are all in the app folder. The public folder is the public accessibility folder, which you can directly link the folder with the URL, and all the purposes are done on the public folder. You can create the image assets, copying the assets to all the file necessity purpose are doing on the public folder. The system and the writable folders are the are managed by the CodeIgniter to make the overall performance and the overall working should be done by the system folders. So don't touch the system folders. So our entire work will be held on the app folder only. Okay, the other major part is the view folder. The view folder has our public views to, or the view files which we are developing the applications, all putting under the views folder. So these are the public structures. So the next question is how to run this application, how to run the CodeIgniter application. So you can run in the CLI 4 or the CodeIgniter 4 version in two ways. The first way is you have to install any local servers into the system. I have installed the exam server. So start this application. I have already copied in the htdocs folder. So if you don't know to install the exam control panel, I will link the video in the iCard, so you can click on this on the link and you can check out the installation of the exam control panel. So I have already installed and started the control panel. So localhost / I have given the name as PI. While going to this folder, you will see, okay, it's showing the index folder. So going to the public, okay, it's showing some errors like local set default is not set like that. Okay, this error is because in the exam control panel we want to go to the php.ini folder and check for the intl, okay, you can see the intl extension is disabled here, so remove the command so you can enable that. So save that, then start that. So while refreshing now, you can see the CodeIgniter 4 is up and running. The CodeIgniter versions 4.0.4 is up and running perfectly. By default, the environment is comes under the production in version 4 on CodeIgniter. So this is the first way of using CodeIgniter 4. The second way is installing the, so let's clear this. Open, I am on the same CI folder. So let's see PHP Spark. Spark is the default Apache server using by the CodeIgniter. Spark serve. Okay, now the CodeIgniter development server is started on 8080. So let's open that. So okay, so the direct compilation is possible by using the PHP Spark serve. The PHP Spark serve is the direct compilation used by the CodeIgniter 4. So if you are using the CLI versions, you can make use of this PHP serve. So this is the file structure. So you can see the app directory here. In the app directory, you can see files, controllers, and the config folders. So if you are interested in the upcoming videos of Laravel 4, please comment below. We can make videos on Laravel 4. So this is the basic installation. Okay, so you can comment me on the section. So you can comment me to do the further videos if you are interested in the CodeIgniter 4. So thank you for watching England Codes. Please subscribe and support us. Thank you.